Printer features comparison, inkjet versus laser. Title: Printer features comparison, inkjet versus laser. Introduction. In the digital age, printers have become indispensable for both personal and professional use. However, with a multitude of options available, it can be challenging to determine the most suitable type of printer for your needs. Inkjet and laser printers are two of the most common technologies, each with their own distinct features and advantages. In this article, we will delve into the world of printers and compare the key features of inkjet and laser printers to help you make an informed decision. Printing technology. One of the fundamental differences between inkjet and laser printers lies in their printing technology. Inkjet printers use a series of microscopic nozzles that spray tiny droplets of ink onto the paper. This allows for precision and vibrant color reproduction. On the other hand, laser printers utilize a combination of electrostatic charges and heat-diffused toner onto the paper, resulting in a more precise and professional-looking print. Print quality. When it comes to print quality, both inkjet and laser printers have their pros and cons. Inkjet printers excel in producing high-quality images and graphics. The combination of small droplets and a wide color gamut allows for sharper details and vibrant hues. Moreover, inkjet printers support a wider range of paper types, making them suitable for various creative projects. On the other hand, laser printers are renowned for their exceptional text quality. The laser technology ensures crisp, clear, and smudge-resistant prints, making them the preferred choice for documents, reports, and presentations. While laser printers may not match the color vibrancy of inkjets, they offer better precision and legibility for textual content. Speed and productivity. When it comes to speed, laser printers have the upper hand. They are built for high-volume printing, making them efficient for office environments. Laser printers can produce a large number of prints per minute, allowing you to complete tasks promptly. On the contrary, inkjet printers tend to be slower, especially when dealing with high-resolution prints or color-intensive documents. However, it is worth noting that technological advancements have improved inkjet printer speeds, narrowing the gap in recent years. Cost considerations. Cost is an important factor to consider when purchasing a printer, and there are several aspects to keep in mind. Inkjet printers usually come with a lower upfront cost compared to laser printers. However, the cost of consumables, particularly ink cartridges, can be relatively high, especially when printing in large quantities. Additionally, inkjet printers tend to have a lower page yield per cartridge, requiring more frequent replacement. Laser printers, on the other hand, often come with a higher upfront cost, but their cost per page is relatively low. Toner cartridges have a higher page yield, resulting in lower running costs over time. This makes laser printers more cost-effective for high-volume printing. If you have minimal printing requirements, an inkjet printer might be the more economical choice, but for heavy printing and needs, a laser printer could save you money in the long run. Maintenance and reliability. Maintenance and reliability are crucial considerations when choosing a printer. Inkjet printers are generally easier to maintain as they have fewer moving parts than laser printers. However, ink cartridges can dry up if not used regularly, leading to clogged print heads and reduced print quality. Regular cleaning and occasional printhead replacements are necessary to ensure optimal performance. Laser printers are generally more reliable and require less frequent maintenance. Their robust construction and fewer components make them more resistant to wear and tear. Additionally, toner does no dry up like ink, allowing laser printers to be more suitable for sporadic printing requirements. Environmental impact. In recent years, environmental consciousness has become a significant factor in many purchasing decisions. When comparing inkjet and laser printers, both have their environmental pros and cons. Inkjet printers consume less energy during the printing process and produce no harmful emissions. They are generally considered more eco-friendly, especially when compared to older laser printers that give off ozone emissions. On the other hand, laser printers have made significant strides in reducing their environmental footprint. Modern laser printers consume less energy in idle mode and have improved recycling programs. For toner cartridges. Additionally, their higher page yield means reduced paper wastage. Choosing the right printer can be a daunting task, especially with the wide variety of options available on the market. Inkjet and laser printers are two types of printers that are commonly used. Each has its own unique features and advantages. In this article, we will compare the key features of inkjet and laser printers to help you make an informed decision. Let's start with the printing technology. Inkjet printers use microscopic nozzles to spray tiny droplets of ink onto the paper, resulting in precise and vibrant color reproduction. Laser printers, on the other hand, use electrostatic charges and heat diffuse toner onto the paper, resulting in a more precise and professional-looking print. When it comes to print quality, both inkjet and laser printers have their strengths. Inkjet printers are particularly good at producing high-quality images and graphics, thanks to their small droplet and wide color gamut. They also support a wider range of paper types, making them suitable for creative projects. On the other hand, laser printers are known for their exceptional text quality. The laser technology allows for crisp, clear, and smudge-resistant prints, making them ideal for documents, reports, and presentations. While laser printers may not offer the same color vibrancy as inkjet printers, they excel in precision and legibility for textual content. Speed and productivity are important factors to consider. Laser printers are built for high-volume printing, making them efficient for office environments. They can produce a large number of prints per minute, allowing you to complete tasks promptly. In contrast, inkjet printers tend to be slower, especially when dealing with high-resolution prints or color-intensive documents. However, advancements in inkjet printer technology have improved their speed, narrowing the gap in recent years. Cost is another crucial consideration.